when you're creating this plan, your plan has to be broken into the timeline. It can't be that I do round 1 of time, speed, distance today and I do round 2 of time, speed, distance tomorrow. Even at my level, if I do a round on any topic, I get ideas. Now those ideas have to germinate inside my head. They have to seep into my head and they have to seep deeper into my brain. To make them seep deeper, to germinate inside my head, the only variable required is the time variable. So if I try to do round 1 today and round 2 tomorrow and round 3 day after tomorrow, it will not work. In my plan, I have to have a round 1. And ideally, I think between first round and second round of chapter, there should be a 1 month gap. But if you're in a shorter time frame for preparing, then you can crash that gap to around 15 days at minimum. That means you do round 1 of a topic today, and then you come back to that topic, to that chapter 15 days later again, and then you do a second round. What will happen gradually is that the second round and third rounds will take a little bit less time than the first round. The first round will be the maximum time consuming round. Let's say you're going to spend 30-40 hours doing percentages during the year. So spread it out as 12 to 15 first time, 6 to 8 second time, 6 to 8 third time, 6 to 8 fourth time, and maybe 4 hours fifth time. And maybe you can also do around 6 if required of a 2 hour. So this is the plan, because what happens is when you do the first round, let's say you do a 12 to 15 hours first round in percentage, ideas will seep into your mind. Some percentage ideas will start germinating in your mind. They will start living inside your mind. And when those ideas live in your mind for 15 days to a month, those ideas get mixed with other ideas you have in your head. And they start becoming your own ideas. In the first 15 days, an idea is still an external idea, but it seeps in when you add that variable of time to it. And in the first round, you should not time yourself. In fact, even the second or third round, you should not time yourself. You time yourself later after that.